晓得。现在呀，搿边零什么大家是勿来往啊，哪能讲以前日脚呢？我非常过太太辣辣个辰光，大家真是闹忙得嘞，像自家人一样的。哎，想起来也开心。侬讲是伐？
In the heart of Shanghai, history whispers, legend is reborn. A landmark of timeless sophistication, a stage for art design and the poetry of living. This is the transformation of a space where history and luxury collide. Every detail reimagined, every corner perfected. Where history lingers, but the future unfolds. A dance between past and present elegance redefined. This is not just a home, it is an experience, a statement, a legacy. Some architecture capture time, the rarest ones, defining.